What up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about the laziest way to make money online, and we're talking about DoorDash. Before we get to it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, sub up to the channel. It's completely free, okay? And then drop those comments in below. First off, laziest way to make money online. Content creation, making content, documenting, coming up with videos. You pick your poison. Okay, understand that content creation is the future and it's not going nowhere. It's only going to get bigger and better. Whether you're new to content or new to YouTube, understand your fastest way and laziest way to make money online is content creation. Okay, making content. Now you can document it. Okay, just record what you do every day anyway. Or come up with videos, okay? Make videos, come up with content that's going to give people some type of entertainment, okay? Understand that. Whether it doesn't matter whether it's a 30-second video or it's an hour. Make it worth the people's watch, okay? You want to hold people on content, on your channel, on whatever you have for as long as possible, and you'll get rewarded for it. Okay, now when DoorDash comes in the picture, she is a content creator. She's a new content creator, okay, that makes really good money. Okay, if you don't know who she is, check her out. DoorDash. Okay, all she's doing is creating content. She's inspiring people. Whoever watches her channel would understand that if she can do it, you can do it. Okay, not to say that anything bad about her. Okay, understand that. I'm just saying she even says it in her videos. Okay, don't kill the manager. Okay, the messenger, the manager, the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger, all right? Content creation is for everybody. Everybody should have their own brand. Everybody should be creating content and or documenting whatever they're doing on a day-to-day basis. You got to get your name out there. People need to find you. People want to find you. How they going to find you if you don't create no videos for them? Okay? And once you get better, you're going to get a better audience, okay? Because that's all we're thinking about. That's all we need to be thinking about. Our audience, okay? Our followers, our subscribers, however you want to look at it or call it. Content creation is going to help you with whatever situation you got going on, okay? It's only going to make things better. Understand that, all right? You got to think bigger. Content is going to go on forever, okay? It's going to go on forever. It's not going nowhere. So take full advantage of it. Okay, we're in a day and age where we could just record and or document whatever we're doing, and then YouTube is going to compensate us very well for that. Okay, if we do it consistently enough, all right, and we get better, 1% better every single day. That's all you got to do. All right. If you haven't checked out my other videos, check out my other videos. Again, I post content on this channel. This channel is a pretty much free for all. We're going to just try a whole bunch of things, okay? A little bunch of this, a little bunch of that, okay? Whether we're talking about making money online, whether we're talking about DoorDash, or we're talking about fitness, okay? This channel is dedicated to helping you guys out, okay? So definitely sub up to this channel. W in the chats if you got this far, all right? We're talking about the laziest way to make money online, okay? If you don't watch DoorDash, DoorDash does one thing that makes her just, you know what I'm saying? Her secret sauce. You know what it is? Creating content every single day. And most of those days, creating more than one video. Okay? Now, yes, you want longer the better. Longer the better. Understand, if you take anything from this video, I said longer the better. Okay, and to create content every single day. That's going to help you win. You will win. I promise you. Okay, be consistent. Look at your numbers. Okay, YouTube Studio will be one of your best friends. You should be logging into YouTube Studio like you do your bank account. Okay, you need to be creating content and you need to be looking at these numbers. YouTube Studio is going to help you. YouTube app is going to help you as well, of course. Okay. Find your niche. Enjoy the process. Trust the process. You will get better at it. Okay. You will get better at it. If you don't, again, we're going to keep referring to DoorDash because DoorDash All she did is get 1% better every single day. She did that and she created content. Okay? Everybody has the ability to do this. Just if you're watching this video, you have the ability to do this, okay? You need to take your phone and record and record and record and record. All you gotta do is press that button. Press that button, get better. Watch it over and over again, okay? If I could give you any type of advice on top of that, it would be 1, create content. 2, do it daily, okay? If you could do it multiple times a day, even better, okay? If you could talk about money, even better, okay? The list goes on and on and on. Talk about fitness, wealth, okay? Relationships, okay? You can make money creating content, all right? Some of you create content and you ain't doing nothing with it. It's at a waste. You do it one time, it's wiped away, right? You can't even think about it no more. Document it. Put it down. That way it's out there forever, okay? Make content. Be purposeful in the content that you make. And what I mean by that is you want it to be evergreen content. Evergreen content is content that's going to go on forever and ever and ever. Ever and ever and ever. Okay? Understand that. Evergreen content. Okay? People are going to always want to know how to make money. Okay? How to be financially free. Always and forever. That's always going to be the case. So why not help people out? Okay, I want to help you be financially free. I believe everybody should be financially free. Is everybody going to be financially free? No. Okay, is everybody going to be a YouTuber or a content creator? No. That's not going to happen for everybody. Unfortunately, everybody can't win. All right, a lot of people watching this video, they're still not going to do what I told them to do. Okay, they're going to watch. They have a YouTube channel. They only got 1 subscriber. They got 1 video. Some worse than that. All you gotta do is create content. You create content and you're gonna get better. It's gonna be just like a natural thing to do. It's gonna be natural. There's nothing on this planet that's gonna pay you for documenting and recording content, making content, however you want to look at it, call it. There's nothing on this planet that does that. We need to realize what day and age we are, and that we're in this day and age where we have this ability, and it's very easy to do. Okay, saying no matter what type of platform you're on. Okay, and I recommend YouTube the end all be all. Okay, over all social media. Okay, creating content, getting monetized on YouTube. The best way to do that is creating content. Okay, everybody that has a YouTube channel, your goal should be wanting to get monetized. Okay, getting monetized on YouTube is probably one of the best things that can happen to you, because then you're getting compensated for the work that you put in. For all your videos, all your shorts, all your community posts, okay? Your goal, if you're watching this video and you're still watching this video, you want to get monetized on YouTube. Your goal, that is your brand. Build your brand. You should have a brand. Everybody has their community. Everybody has their audience, right? Everybody has a good amount of subscribers that just enjoy your type of life. If you're watching this video, this is your sign to start. Press record. Again, I said daily. I posted a lot of videos. And I mean a lot. A lot of videos, okay? I posted a lot of videos about creating content. And I can give you my best advice. And I want 2 things. 1, I've posted a lot of videos. I've created a lot of content. A lot. 2, I've watched a lot. I've watched more than I've created. Fact. Is that good or bad? I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is there's no substitute for experience. You can't substitute experience for anything on anything. Okay? So you got to create content, get that experience, watch videos, watch content, get that experience, because there's no substitute for it. You gotta learn. Live and learn. Okay? Get better. If you see a video, try to make a better one. Try to make a better video. If you see one, you be like, okay, I could do that. And I can, not only can I do that, I could do it every single day. If you could do that every single day, you're going to make money. Let's get it.